Today I am very guided to do something different. I am going to share my magic like I never did before. I'm not going to tell you what I do. You will have to trust me. The only thing you have to know is that you're going to shift, and it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be reflecting God, source energy. On this channel, if you're new, we are here to heal and transmute everything that is not aligned with your pure heart, everything that is not love, light, and truth, anything that is not you, the real you, everything that has been projected upon you from your childhood to any past lives, everything you have accumulated into your DNA that is not you, the core, the essence of who you truly are, your true authentic self. Everything has to disappear. I am so dedicated on my mission to bring the light over the chaos in your life. I see you, I feel you, I honor you for the work you've been doing on your own. If you found this video, I claim that this is because you're ready to take the next step. You are ready to take the next step on your healing journey. I want you to close your eyes, and I'm going to operate some high vibrational energy to recalibrate your entire system, because we do not want you to suffer anymore. We want you free. When I say we, I'm talking about your guides, my guides, God the Most High, the angelic beings, the angelic realm that is watching upon you, your ancestors of the highest light. I want you to be genuinely happy, joyful, in harmony. You're so loved. I am talking a very specific language. Again, you will have to trust if you're new. Aligning your soul. Send zuru umata. Nika. Ancestors, they're really around, believe me. I just saw magnificent white flower opening up. It was kind of an orchid. It was just beautiful. Someone out there is blooming or about to pop, about to bloom. If you want to dig deeper, if everything we have done resonate in your soul, in your core space, heart space, you should check my website for more work, deep work, very crucial work to align with your highest timeline. You can also contact me. I'll put my email in the description box below for very specific private one-on-one healing session. You'll shift. You'll shift. This one, courage. It takes strength. Courage. Believe in your medicine. Believe that you are the medicine. Heart space. One clue about what we did, it was connected to your heart space. So it will give you the envy, the motivation to step further. This is so beautiful. My God, I'm talking to a light worker, a shaman out there. You're so beautiful. And until next time.